Hi babe, welcome back to the channel. You might have come across this puzzle box braid or puzzle design, and I am going to show you how to make it so that you can customize it to whatever you want. You can use it for different things. You can use it for bantu knots, for box braid, to braid just your natural hair, whatever you want to do with it. It is up to you. I am just going to show you the basics of how to get it right. First of all, for beginner, I would advise that you make a straight line in the direction you want the puzzle braid to go so that it will be like a guide, and then you are going to proceed to start making it the way I am making it like this, guys. So if you want to see the whole head, then keep watching. If you just want to have an idea of how it's done, this is how it is done. I am going to proceed to make it on her whole head, so that if you want to make the hairstyle for someone, maybe a box braid, a bantu knot, crochet, whatever it is you want to do, you'll be able to do that confidently, because after watching this video, you will be able to do it confidently. I promise you. So enjoy.